You comb your hair and about 30% of the hair on your head is gone, and you are just wondering where did you go wrong. But then you want that bouncy hair, that hair that everybody is talking about. But then all solution that you can think about is rice water. But then you cannot even stand the smell of rice water. So today I am going to teach you how to do your rice water without actually making it smell. Without actually leaving it in water or soaking it in water for days before you use. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you're already a G, you're welcome back to your channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today we are doing magic. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it, comment and share. To do this magic, the first thing we need is onion. A lot of people don't know that onion is actually a good hair growth stimulant. It is good for your scalp. You can use it to massage your scalp, the onion juice itself, to massage your scalp. Wait for at least 30 minutes, then shampoo your hair and style your hair as usual, and it promotes hair growth. So our first thing we are going to use is cut or chop your onion into pieces, and you can even chop it with the back if you are okay. I don't know why I removed the back, because the back too is good for the hair, but then I don't know, so I've removed the back already. So chop it into pieces. After cutting your onion into tiny pieces, pour it into your pot. And if you've watched the video up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up. So our next ingredient is rice. So we are just going to use 2 spoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of rice. You don't want your rice to be too plenty, please. Rice is now expensive, so 2 tablespoons. Don't mind me. The next thing is clove. So we are going to add cloves to it. That one you can add it based on your description. So our next ingredient is rosemary. So here I am using fresh rosemary, but it looks dry because it has been in my fridge for quite a long time now. So that is why it looks that dry, but actually it's fresh rosemary. But it doesn't matter, rosemary is rosemary, whether dried or fresh. So just go ahead and remove the rosemary from its stick or the stem and pour it into your pot on the other ingredient in your pot. Then add water. Water is a universal solvent. It can dissolve everything. Everything in the rice, rosemary, clove and onion, we are trying to remove those things into the water. I don't know if that English even exists, but remove. So after adding this, let's boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Boil it until the rice is a bit soft and your water is it's brownish. It's like the color of fermented rice water. So here you have to let your mixture cool down, make it cold or warm if you are a low porosity person, before you sieve it. After sieving your mixture, all you have to do is apply it to your scalp, wait for at least 1 hour before you wash it out. So guys, this is all I have for you today. If you've watched up to this point, don't forget to give me a thumb up and share the video, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting idea. Bye.